Today we are going to show you how to install Halco's LED retrofit strip kits. The LED retrofit kit is a replacement for traditional linear fluorescent fixtures. Before doing any work on an electrical fixture, please make sure power is turned off at the breaker. Remove the ballast cover from the traditional linear fixture. Remove the socket brackets from each end. Disconnect the AC mains from the existing ballast. Remove the ballast. Place the luminaire modification label onto the housing. Connect the mounting brackets on each end of the fixture housing by bending them into place and securing with Tek screws. Secure the safety cables to the fixture housing using the provided Tek screws. Clip the safety cable to the LED gear tray so that it is suspended safely while connecting power. Connect the ground wire. Connect both the load and neutral line. Push the gear tray towards the housing, making sure all wires are contained within the housing, and secure the LED gear tray using the quarter turn connectors. Remove the protective film from the lens. Squeeze each side of the lens and insert it into the grooves of the LED gear tray. Turn on power. Congratulations! You've successfully installed the Halco Linear LED Strip Retrofit Kit.